Food We Love with Linda Yu is presented by Arun's Thai Restaurant.
Whenever I come to Arun's, I feel like it's a real destination because you've just come off sort of an industrial part of Kedzie Avenue and you walk in here and it's a place that's filled with art. Most of the art from Thailand, but there's also art from China as well as Japan. But the real works of art happen right here in this kitchen by this man. This is Arun.
Hello,
Hi,
Linda.
Arun. Nice
Hello.
to see
Nice
you.
to see you
nice
too.
to see you again.
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to make an eggplant dish.
Yes.
All right. We're going to get right to it, and
All
you're
right.
going to teach me how.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's start from the beginning here.
Yes, with this
Okay.
beautiful.
Yeah, that's
It's a Chinese eggplant.
eggplant.
Chinese eggplant. Okay. All right.
So,
So what do we do? Cut this off.
The stem off.
Cut it in half.
Cut it lengthwise,
right?
half. Okay. Like that. Okay. You go back and forth like this.
And then go like that.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like that. I'm getting better.
Yeah. Okay.
Got it.
Next one.
Next.
You're gonna dust all of this, okay, with flour.
Okay.
Okay. And then we can mix it up. Okay.
Then
Just
shake
check
it
it
out.
off. Check
Yeah.
it off. You don't want to overcook this though. When you put in there, you have to cook very quickly.
Yes.
So that the oil is,
Doesn't go in.
get into the eggplant a little bit. A little bit more. The color is still there, retaining.
Yeah. We
Okay.
want that purple, don't we?
Right, right.
Beautiful.
We're gonna do the shrimp, dice into small pieces
Okay.
like this.
Yes. Hope I'm doing this right.
You can put it there. You're doing great. Okay.
There.
And there.
Now this is
Heat
the
up.
paste
Yeah.
that has so many
Right.
wonderful ingredients.
Right.
If I can remember
Chili
now.
pepper.
It's got the mild pepper and a
Cilantro.
jalapeno, the cilantro stems, shallot,
Right.
and
That's good.
next.
Remember, I turn off the heat just that it won't burn the chili. Now I can bring it up a little bit.
Okay.
Next is the shrimp.
Great.
It will be cooked very quickly. Okay.
I feel like I'm your sous chef.
Yeah, you are now today. At least today.
That's palm sugar.
Palm sugar
What else?
and a bit of pepper.
Pepper.
Now, basil.
Oh, I love basil. That's a great idea.
My chili and green onion. And we are done.
Do we put
You
it
can
all
throw
in
it
at
in
once?
or in
All of
there.
it.
You can see the color.
That's gorgeous.
How's it?
I'm busy eating. You started life in Thailand on a rubber plantation. And tell me about your grandfather. Okay, you sat with your grandfather?
Yes. My grandfather, as you know, he was a Chinese, a Cantonese, rather. Got married. My grandmother was a Thai. So you know they are two worlds apart because it's arranged marriage in those days. So we ended up having two cultures in one household there. My grandfather, he would not eat Thai food. But on the other hand, my grandmother, I don't know whether she was stubborn about it or something. She would not eat Chinese food either. You don't eat my food, I won't eat yours. So we ended up having two kitchens.
Two kitchens in your house?
In the house,
Wow.
yeah.
Okay.
So, you know, I can enjoy the best of both worlds.
Do you think that's how you had an understanding and maybe deep down a love for food, even though that you weren't going to make that your career?
Although I had not paid attention much, you know, but somehow it got into me.
Yeah.
That bit by bit, from observation, from being forced into learning about the thing what I ate.
Right.
So, you know, somehow it got into me that I absorbed it without Unintentionally.
But then you grew up, you went to school in Bangkok, in Hamburg, Germany, in Tokyo, and then ultimately in Chicago.
Yeah.
Right? And none of those times that you went to school were you studying food?
Nothing at all.
What were you studying?
I study a lot of things. Study Thai literature, English literature, political science, international relations.
The eggplant is so good. Yeah.
Thank you. Everything. I study everything academically. Yes, speaking that I was always in the academic world. You know, nothing about culinary world.
You had 2 master's degrees. You were going to go for your doctorate.
Right.
But all of a sudden, you opened a restaurant. How did that happen?
On my way, actually, toward getting a PhD work at the University of Chicago, I was, persuaded rather by a group of acquaintances, Thai acquaintances, who wanted to do Thai restaurant. They wanted to see for the first time the fine dining Thai that I had not seen in the market before during that time anyway. I said, okay, let's do it.
But then you decided to cook.
I didn't decide to cook.
No.
And I said, everyone left me before the restaurant was even open. I had no choice, but I said, okay, money was already invested, so I had no choice but to cook. And it's very hard when you had never touched anything in the kitchen before.
Yes.
But then
somehow
I did it right. After 2 months, I got 3 stars by the Tribune.
Oh,
you remember?
It was great.
Way back when, yeah?
Great.
2 more months, 2.5 more months, or 2 more months, I got 3.5 from the Sun Times.
Yeah.
So that's his history. I could not believe it so quickly.
For details on this recipe and more, go to suntimes.com.